Making money online is the easiest that it's ever been, but everyone is getting it completely wrong. You've probably been told that you should sell some like $2,000 a month package when you've literally never even sold anything to anyone. What you should be doing is trying to sell a simple AI generated website to local businesses for $297 a month. It's easier to deliver, it's easier to sell, and it's actually beginner friendly. It's actually so easy that in the last 4 days, we've already made $8,000. And you can see every single month, we make at least $57,000 off of 203 different people that we're literally doing this for, that we do not talk to, we don't deliver any services for, and we don't have to do anything at all for. So let me show you how you can actually do this stuff, what it is that I'm doing, and how you can even get leads and sell them all in the next 10 minutes. Now, the first thing I want to show you is what we actually do. Obviously, we make websites for people, but it's a little bit more than that. And I already know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, I'm not a coder. I don't have any experience. I've never done this before. I don't even know how to build a website. Well, what we use is a platform. It's called Go High Level. This makes it really, really easy and super beginner friendly to actually do this. And on top of that, we actually give you all of the templates, all of the secrets, all of the sauce that you could possibly need to go ahead and literally build something like this in 2 hours, and then you can get paid $297 a month for the rest of your life as long as you keep people happy, basically, right? So the actual service that we deliver is obviously a really, really nice website, as you can see, but we've also got a couple of very, very simple and basic business systems to go along with it. So for example, an automatic lead follow-up. So right here, as someone fills this out, automatically we text our customer and we text the lead that comes in, right? So this is their potential customer that we text, and then our customer, so they know they got a new potential customer, right? So super, super simple to make. We already give this to you guys. The number two is going to be actually having a bunch of pages on here. So backyard design, service areas and whatnot, just to make it look legit, same as here. We also want to showcase everyone's reviews on here. People love to see reviews, and as long as you keep updating these, which happens completely automatically, people will absolutely love it. And one really, really cool system that we give people as well, and they absolutely love this, and this is super easy to do, is going to be a 5-star review funnel. People need to get reviews, and they know it's super, super important for their business. But sometimes they get bad reviews. So what have we created, and we give this to you already, is literally 5-star review funnel. So what this does is it makes it so that if people want to give someone a bad review, so 1, 2, or 3 stars, it automatically goes to private feedback. It doesn't actually go to Google. But if it's a good review, so 4 or 5 stars, it goes straight to their Google page and makes it really, really easy for people to actually leave a review for them, as you can see right here. So this is super, super valuable to a local business because reviews directly make it so that they make more money. And every single local business owner knows this, so you don't even need to convince them on it. Now, obviously, all of this is really, really cool, and I'm sure you're like, oh my God, I'm all about it, and now I can do this and that and that. But how are you going to get customers? Now, the way that I have gotten all of my customers, basically, or a grand portion of them, is by something called cold SMS. If you want literally everything that I've showed you in this video, plus much, much more, I have a full course step-by-step on how to start your own Go High Level SaaS business. So this includes literally 7 steps from setting up your business, setting up Go High Level, understanding your product, learning how to sell, getting clients, onboarding clients, everything you could possibly need, service delivery, and examples of everything, plus all the snapshots and daily coaching from me, myself on Zoom, and a community of like-minded people. You can go ahead and go to SaaSScalingAcademy.com and join that completely for free, where you will get all my bonuses, and I will go ahead and see you in there. Now, let's continue with the video. I know every single guru out there has probably told you to do cold calling and, do 10,000 calls a day, and, you're going to get cold plane traffic like 50 million times over the span of your career. Obviously, you probably don't want to do that, and you might be a little bit discouraged. What if there was a way where you could literally just get people to raise their hands, tell you, hey, I'm already interested in what you do, and I would love to talk to you. And then you actually call them. So they're not cold anymore. They're what we call warm. Well, that exists, and it's not paid ads. It barely costs any money. So let me literally just go ahead and show you. So what we do is actually called cold SMS. So you can see right here, I am sending out text messages, completely automated, by the way, literally telling people something like, hey, this is Michael. I was looking you guys up on Google and saw that you don't have a website or anything like that. I know this is kind of random, but I went ahead and built you one. Do you want to see it? People are going to say, hello, let me see it. And those people are the ones that you actually call up and schedule into your calendar so that you can go ahead and try to sell them the website for $297 a month. And all this happens completely automatically. You're basically texting thousands of people a day so that you have a bunch of people raising their hands. And as you can see right here, this is actually what we call a pipeline. I know it's, it looks a little scary. I promise it's not. It's a lot simpler than you think. Anyone that's actually replied would come into here. The people that, weren't very nice about talking to you, they automatically get moved here. That way, you're not even filtering through people. You literally just call whoever comes in here because you know they are interested and they want something from you. And I literally still do this to this day in my business. So you can see I'm booking appointments to it, and I see a bunch of people in here that I literally sold and have as clients right now. So just all that to say, this works extremely well, and it's super, super beginner friendly, much more so than cold calling, and it doesn't cost money like paid ads. So this is super slept on, like this is pure sauce. So make sure, even if you don't join my community or whatever, do this, because I have a separate video on this as well. Now, one thing that we actually do as soon as we've booked in an appointment is we automatically send them our website. So we've got this website right here that we created. Obviously, it's a little bit more fancy, probably a bit overkill to be completely honest with you, but you do want to send people something so that they can at least see what you've done before or that you're a legit company and, you can build a little bit of trust, right? We have a bunch of testimonials and whatnot on here, testimonials about us, whatever you want, a bunch of stuff so people can basically see who you guys are, what you do, and you don't just come on a sales call without knowing who you are and stuff like that, right? Because that's not what we want. We're trying to sell people. Then from there, when people actually come on the sales call, we have a super direct strategy. This is someone absolutely no one is talking about. Nowadays, all these people are coming on sales calls and getting asked questions like, how would it feel if you made an extra $20,000 this month? But these guys are so sick of it, and they can smell your bullshit from a mile away, that it's not going to work. You're not going to sell people like that, and you're going to get burnt out as a beginner and just waste your time. So what we actually do is this right here, and it works incredibly well.
Brother, I never go through the spiel. I cut the shit. I'm straight to the point. $297, $750. That's for packages. If you can, watch the video right now. I'm not about to reschedule you. But watch the video, because the video is faster than the actual spiel. I don't want to waste anyone's time. That's the only reason I ask, is literally watch the video. Whatever questions you have, brother, you want to know the price, I just gave it to you. I'm not here to bring you on some hour-long sales call or some bullshit like that. I'm very straight to the point. So if you can watch the video, you'll at the very least know if this is something you would even want to do or not. So
now, as you can see, I literally was the most straightforward that I could have possibly been with this person. I was not professional. I was, honestly a little bit rude perhaps, but it works. People respond to this. They've been pitched so many times over and over again, the same stuff, so that when you come in and you change, you're like, hey, motherfucker, we're $300 a month, or we're this much a month. What do you think? You have any questions? If not, let's go. Let's get you onboarded. You would be absolutely surprised how many people will just start throwing their credit card at you because you're just a little bit different. Now, that is literally the entire system that I still use to this day to get clients, keep clients, and deliver service for people. So if you want all of this stuff that I literally just talked about and much more, you can join my community. But if you're not ready for that, I have another video right here showing a more in-depth sales call of me selling someone.